How na come waka?
Yeah, waka.
But see what I don't really tell you. I can just spoil the whole thing. And the stress undergo yesterday upon the many hustling. Just we all clear finish smoke, we give me the man give us money. I can just carry trouble, we give the Saturday. And the master of the people who want me to do.
Which one be let me spoil yesterday business. The money where me and the man we negotiate. When work finish now, the man call it reduce price. Now be I talk come out. Which kind of shit be that one?
Well, me I don't get problem with una. The only thing I want to tell una be say before I give una that contact, I tell una say my 10% now give me. So any I want to me I don't know. Because you tell me say you want big house people come in, they come clear. Cause say no. What I can do, but I'm not going for how not think about it.
If you do, your 10% you will give out.
I hear you. 10%. Any money there with your Ghana, it not be no. You go collect 10%.
Now you spoil everything yesterday. That money never come, you don't use them. Now you cause this whole problem. If you do, you give it just 10%.
Not concern me. How the money won't take come? Like.
John.
Hey, how about you now?
I do. Hello, how far now?
I do where to?
I want to reach front.
Don't shake it.
No problem now. We'll see later.
Okay. You don't follow this baby.
And this village there.
Don't tell shit.
I beg. Listen at this kind of thing that you like.
If you later go, Voka come give you.
You don't like it. This can't talk that one. How you can't no say no one either?
Well, this guy problem. Everything you always want to show yourself.
Hey!
Now you ask of this guy being now SARS.
As the answer for services, that guy go control all of us.
See. Whether we go play for this village, we not go play again. Now this girl nyash night day.
Bros, no quarrel. No quarrel. Let's not quarrel for money. No quarrel for woman. Not be laughing day. No quarrel.
No quarrel.
As that girl just did like this.
Me friend do you. I beg. That one don't do. No need to roast go.
But why what did they worry you? Why you be like this? What is that confusion is to?
More than not let this talk to another.
Don't worry. You are lying.
I'll find the girl by myself.
Every time you just like we the big trouble.
I'll find her. If you not do for me, you not do for any of us now.
You got it fuck up.
I don't understand. You know it's you give me money. You understand? Can you not stay maintain myself?
Selena, which one be the money matter for inside again now? Eh? You for let me know say that this kind of level now.
You know say money for hand, back for ground. You understand?
Don't probably that they think, sha.
No.
You don't understand now.
No, not that kind of level. You know say I need to maintain myself now. I need to the guard, I need to, you know now.
No wahala, like how much you define so?
You know to there. She understand. At least as I see no you now, guy will tell you do one. You want just 5,000 naira.
5,000. No shaking.
Sure.
Yeah, just go and come back. Maybe I'll do back.
John.
No shaking, too much. Too much.
How you come work up concerning that girl where I tell you that you not gonna tell me?
My guy, your body too dey hot now. You don't come my house when you say na cool dey quarrel.
No verse. Say say I dey verse. That day Ake dey talk say me run some for her. Me dey think say maybe you don't go give her key.
I dey craze. But when I begin give that girl your rhymes, I begin give her your rhymes. Well, the girl begin cry. That babe too go love you. But when I begin tell her how much you love her, I bust her head. And this person she say SARS, but she can't tell me one word. Say boys not to use her play. She not to see heartbroken. You know, so guys or your con or your stick inside. And right now, I get problem of money. Understand? I say she don't know what she want to ask. So she could tell me say whether you feel assist her, you know, with money, but she don't want to tell you maybe you not call the fee say maybe she's too spoiled or wanting, or maybe you just the toast her for the first time. So she could say whether you feel assist her with money. That's how I will tell you. Say you really and you still love the girl.
Like
You know she talk not too big, she's 7,000 naira.
And that one not go be problem now. If maybe she really agree say she go friend me. See, what you go there? We will just go there. We call her mouth. We sit talk. I use her to see rubber small. Then at the end of the day, I will just give her the money. From there, the relationship will just start. How you say?
No. You not fit do that kind of thing. You know why? That girl now she can't be shame. She can't say because you give her money, you want to embrace. You know the way girls they think. if you give me the money, now I go give her. If I reach there, I'll wash her again. I'll wash her. I'll let her know say come. My guy, tell me say if you even had more, I have to swear more. They deceive me now. If we go there again, then I feel alive. But I don't want me to give her the no. She not gonna feel say she be beggar or something. Just take her. The guy love you. Me they see you. As where they get the talk, and they see Osas.
Like how much?
I said okay, she talk. But this one you want to do now, go make the love convert. No, that get too like you. You help me come out, Osas. Any small thing you say Osas. Any small thing Osas. I say you don't do. Not gonna use love kill yourself. Come here, no say that girl, she go want come for you. Not be like. My fear now say you not married man. If this girl follow you like this, my guy, you will get problem with father for us.
If I get problem, I get problem with my wife. No be. See, as I think they like girl, nyash everything and that. I know what
she did well. You got to go love you. So, what's it why you have for? As I give her this money, you know say you dey even ask me say if she need more.
No, you need more. You won't turn me to
the best. No, but of the I want me to be smooth for now.
In the evening today, you will come back again.
I'm not shaking. Me people can come give you this evening if she go follow me. Yes, now. If we give her an answer, she dey well. She solve her problem. No, if you even deal with her today, say, yeah. No, that get to love you.
Later, I'll reach it.
No, wala. That get to love you. You do sabi. I die, babe, I don't know so this matter be that money is too small.
Really?
I enjoy myself.
You sure?
Not be like. I beg. I'll see go one.
John! So now this girlfriend that you be?
Yes, good afternoon.
Thunder will fire you. What you good about good afternoon? John, me and you no get problem. By the time I reach house, my money no reach house. You get problem with me. No, give me eye. Who dey worry you? You dey craze? I suppose small pikin for your eye. Now my eye the one you sabi.
What happen now?
No shaking. But at times you go you already fuck up. Okay, if you me disable move for your eye, you send me message. I'll go buy come for you. Extra go there, I'll carry the extra and the message don't give you. I disable your boy. Why you call the why you dey fool yourself?
Now that Jara go kill you. I think you be better person. I think you smart, Abi. Wait for me. Make my money not dey wait me for us.
What happen now?
Now Ogun go kill you. Yeah, for that question wey you ask me. Now Ogun go kill you. They pretend as if you don't know what dey happen.
No, we go settle. I know na my na why.
Don't dey happen now. Your friend talk to me like that.
No, don't worry. Osas.
I don't come out. We'll see tomorrow. I know wetin your friend.
This girl now part, sha. Osas. But go kill yourself, sir. And your life I come. I enjoy myself. Come use your own response. Wetin dey worry you? That house you never one person food. No time. I can't do that person. You so.
John. I don't wait to tire. Where my money?
But me not understand you. Every day you hear the rush, they come for the. But me rest for this money matter.
Make her rest. What did I use the money buy for your hand? Make her rest.
Osas, I don't tell you say this money, I'll pay you. But when you relax.
I don't relax. I don't buy anything from you. Give me my money.
Let's see. If you make me invest, now your wife will settle this our matter.
You never risk like that now.
Oh, you're taking me. My wife.
You never risk like that.
Osas, you don't do.
If people come ask you and say, what if they fight for what you want to talk?
See, wait to me understand. You don't be married man, you dey fight for your wife. Now go judge this issue.
Yeah, man.
What did they happen now? Okay. You don't shame.
Leave me. My wife.
Yeah.
What did they happen?
Make her come back again.
Make I come back again.
Amen.
I dey come for you here.
You understand? Marriage man dey find for now.
Yes.
Hold on, wait for me.
Married man, this one never marry.
That you wan give me that money, I no go pay.
No pay.
Wetin go happen make it happen?
You no get
Wetin
it,
you go do?
No get you.
Na your wife house, your wife present for settle this baby.
Na so e reach.
Man, you dey carry shower.
My brother, if I kill you, if I kill you, sister quick carry. Sister quick. Married men for Benin, na so their matter be o. If any girl you gree for married men for Benin, they wan kill the boyfriend wey the girlfriend get before. Oh sas, na wetin you get na go kill you. You wan kill your friend because of woman? Huh? Your wife go settle this one in Jesus name. You go see am.
My darling. You dey here? Make I go dey look for you for outside. Wetin happen?
Wetin happen?
The way we just sit down, dey look one place. Like person wey dey drive for work. Abi na food you no see eat.
Any man wey dey reason, wey bring correct, na so still dey go at times. All day no be Christmas day.
Though,
Yeah.
wetin happen between you and your friend?
Not to cause quarrel, na just normal thing.
Nothing. I ask John because me get eye. I dey see o. And my ear dey hear. I ask John say, wetin dey happen between you and your friend? Because for some time now, I know so una no dey agree. John say make I go ask my husband. I dey ask my husband now. My husband say nothing. Why shame go let you talk?
Make I ask you. Me and John dey quarrel. We no dey quarrel. How e come take affect you?
You no fit affect me.
So you leave the matter.
Because na shame. Now you know the shame. You know the shame at all. You know the shame. As I just reach so. As I reach so, you say I no reach for you. Person wey the thing wey he get, you no full for here. Another person you, na dey for the catch am. Shame no dey catch you at all. You think I no know? You think say me no know? Say I no know wetin dey happen. Because of that short, that dwarf wey be like drum. Because he carry wetin pass am for back. Okpo for that matter. Go dey follow people, dey drag am. Your shame dey catch me.
See, if you not take that, this matter wey you bring come so, na e go give you visa to your papa house. You hear me?
Who you dey talk to? Who you dey talk?
Abeg, just stop it.
Who you dey talk to?
Try am again.
Na so. Na my shadow you dey talk to. Dem dey say man wey no dey shame like this. Say me go my papa house. Na me and you for this house. Asas, come now. No vex. You see, no vex again.
Why I no go vex?
I know. See, I mean say don't go investigate the matter. Say, do wetin John do you no good.
Na me tell am say my choice of woman na you be. The way wey I dey dream say woman go be, na you be. I can't tell am. The next way me dey see na go another one. Why that kind thing no go make me vex?
I know say no good. John fuck up for that side. Yeah, I know say no good. But the problem is say una wey be boys so una get una own for una body. E no good. See am, if una like girl, una go meet the girl. Una reason I say the girl to get more, you no get more to. I no fit afford her biz. I no fit buy clothes for her. You no understand? Girls no dey reason that one. We girls dey want me dey want to stores on safe. You no know? See am, wetin you doing? If you like girl, just go meet the girl. Tell her say I like you. Na choice na. If she go gree, she no gree. Na choice. Let's say yes or no.
I don't know now.
You don't do now. Don't do.
Yeah.
No worry. I'll do you well, sir.
That means say two of us feel still button.
Yes, nah. See, I know the guy when you give John. Because you like me, let me keep that kind of thing now.
Okay, How you want to come see now?
For that one. You know me ask.
Yeah.
Oh, no problem. What is this? Sas. I believe you now.
What did you do here?
Not be what you carry me go.
You see the reason why you John not go be my friend again?
Be good.
I tell you say I like this girl. I want to friend now. Instead of you not to withdraw, they will go to shook una head.
Now poor they worry you. Poor.
Then they worry me.
Yes.
I don't get your time. Thank God say I don't already tell the girl my mind. She don't gree for me. Yeah?
Now go customer dead here. This boy won't come overthrow me. Patient, now they follow. No explain that you see.
Oh, don't look good for time.
Me will be like patient dog with the fine better flesh for pool now. I'm not telling you.
Yeah, down,
Not be saying talk.
Say, what you do for me? If you hear me, they bring like 5 of your friends. Here they come, as in once in a week.
Yes.
Hey, you're not bonanza. Yes, na.
Brother, you see
Your family.
David.
That's what I do for the family. Now you finish for Oha.
Hi, Sas.
Namio.
Isha. No problem now. You know what they do now?
That's it.
Quick, bring the money, come on.
If you do here, the way they do me for the deal. See, 500 naira as usual.
Wow, you know the hard journey now.
Yeah, this 14 naira. Now I want to do what if you don't do me what you they do me before.
No problem now.
wait.
I drop you.
What's that waiting now?
This one I really like. Selena. Me talk to you. Say me and the move the friend the date as boyfriend and girlfriend. Me don't know say na you not for everybody. Now this one you do.
Sas. See, get me the date past one boy. Now boy be.
Oh. Now you still be.
Because say me they do my own like this. Not me say I don't be human being. You understand? Nothing. You finish your turn. Just wait.
Besides, make you not worry. Oh, but they get girlfriend, they marry. As you understand that, so you go fit marry you, now go born. You go see they do the work for them.
Hey, Sas, she's not worry. Even if you don't get money, I'll give you free. Then a bonanza. You understand? Even if I give John money that day, you come and say enter. I'll do your own free.
Go service me. This one, our husband to be.
Hey! I don't die. You? Because of football, I nearly pursue my life. I go backward now.